Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the iPhone 12 wallpaper. Very easy. As you guys see, I have one of the ones on my screen right now. Very cool. It's actually really easy to get. I'll just have a link in the description as well as in the comment section so you guys can go ahead and go to this website. Once you're on this website, 9to5Mac, you can just scroll down here and you'll see the dark wallpapers and the light wallpapers. And all you have to do is just scroll through here and it'll have all the colors. So you see the light wallpapers right here and then the dark wallpapers just above it. And then obviously to get it, you just long press on it, and then this will pop up here saying you can add it to your photos. So just click on add to photos, exit out to your photos, and then you will have them here, and then you can just go ahead and set it as your wallpaper. Very easy and basic to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If this video was helpful, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.